how to update Facebook on Android. So basically you can see right here, if we clicked on the article right here to get Facebook to automatically update, you could just open up the Facebook app and tap the bookmark and then scroll a little bit down and tap the settings and then app updates, and from there you're gonna be able to turn it off or on. So basically you can do it within the app, so you can get the newest updates from there, or you can use another option. You could just go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. If you saw like a button that tells you that you need to update the app, just go ahead and do it immediately, so you won't face any troubles in the future, which is probably you're gonna face it anyways. So basically just go ahead and do it so you can fix the bugs and all that. So you will need to do it immediately and something like that, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.